Thank you for holding. My name is Dwayne with Life Protect 24/7. How are you today?
I was sitting in my chair sleeping when my phone rang just now.
And what happened? It was me?
This is Francis.
How you doing, Miss Francis? My name is Dwayne. I'm with Life Protect 24/7. Okay. Are you familiar with medical alert systems and how they operate?
Yes.
Huh? Are you familiar with medical alerts,
Yes.
Miss Francis?
Yes.
Okay. Well, then, absolutely, Miss Francis. As you know, then it's that little button that you wear around your neck, and you will press that button in case of any type of an emergency.
Mm-hmm.
Or even a bad fall, for example. And I'm sure that you've seen similar products advertised on television, right?
Baby, what do you want? You woke me up. What do you want?
I didn't call you, Miss Francis.
Where are you calling from?
I didn't call you, Miss Francis.
Who is this?
I'm with Life Protect 24/7 Medical Alert Systems, Miss Francis.
Who you want to talk to?
I want to get you a medical alert button. You called me. I didn't call you.
This is the fourth time I have got a call. One woman, she wanted to make me somebody who I'm not.
No, I ain't gonna do that to you, Miss Francis. I just want you to get you a medical alert button.
Oh, so you work in the office?
Yes, ma'am.
This one certain person that acts very smart, what she was trying to do was get some information from me. Well, I'm being honest with you.
Yeah. What was she trying to do? What was she talking about?
I don't work. I'm unemployed.
I understand that. Rough out here, ain't it, Miss Francis? Rough out here.
Do what, baby?
You know? I said it's rough out here.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely. Are you familiar with medical alert buttons?
Yes.
Okay, well, today with our promotion, you qualify to receive a free medical alert system.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Now, the great thing about our alert system, Miss Francis, is that it isn't just for medical emergencies. You actually can use it at any time that you feel nervous or any time that you feel threatened, like in the case of a fire or someone's actually trying to break into your home.
I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but just so much go on.
Huh?
The reason I get hostile is because I have been receiving calls.
You say you haven't been asleep?
What's the problem?
I can't hear you. You keep breaking up on me.
Do you know who you talking to?
I'm talking to Miss Francis. You told me your name, didn't you?
Francis.
Yeah, Miss Francis.
Woo!
What you wooing for, Miss Francis? What's going on over here?
I will take my phone over to my sister-in-law. You call my phone one more time, and I promise you, my sister-in-law works for the police department. I will turn my phone in and have this trace.
Well, you gotta have trace. I'm in Virginia Beach, Virginia. I tell you what, I mean, you gotta waste your time doing that. I don't make calls. I don't call your home. We don't make outbound calls. You have to call me.
I will have this trace.
Miss Francis, what's going on with you? What's going on with you, Miss Francis? You all right over there?
I've been getting too many calls from private numbers.
Okay, I got you. I understand why you're upset, but like I told you, Miss Francis, we don't make outbound calls. We don't call people.
You called me from a private number.
I didn't call you from no private number, Miss Francis. Cut that out now.
You calling from a private number.
I didn't call you from no private number, Miss Francis. I don't we don't make calls out.
Hell to the no. Now call him again.
No. Are you serious? Are you cussing at me, Miss Francis? Did you just say hell to the no? Did you just cuss? Are you serious, Miss Francis? You told me you were a Christian young lady. What are you using language like that for?
You are a goddamn lie, bitch.
Huh?
Don't call my fucking phone no more.
Oh, you really cursing at me now? You turned the cursing up a notch, huh?
You call my fucking phone. I ain't call yours.
I did what?
You the one that's so motherfucking crazy. Don't start with that bullshit.
Don't curse at me like that, Miss Francis. Don't do that.
Bullshit, bitch.
You say who?
So stop calling my motherfucking number with your motherfucking bullshit. You call my fucking phone. I ain't call yours.
You did call me, Miss Francis. I didn't call you.
You need not call my number no more.
Just listen to what I'm saying, Miss Francis. You don't have to keep cursing. Okay? Just listen to me. Just hear me out. Just hear me out, Miss Francis. Relax yourself. You don't have to keep cursing. Okay? What is that?
I ain't call yours.
You did too.
It's not me.
Well, that's a pig?
Oh.
Ah! Cut it out, Miss Francis.
Ooh.
Now, do you have any health issues that you're concerned about? High blood pressure, diabetes, or anything, Miss Francis?
I tell you what. Call it one more time.
Right. Why are you threatening me like this? Are you serious right now? What are you going to do to me, Miss Francis? Come on, don't do me like this, Miss Francis. We've been having a good time. You cursing at me?
I'm not stupid.
What are you being stupid about, Miss Francis? Talk to me now.
Shit.
I'm trying to get you a medical alert button. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get you a medical alert button. Simple as that. No more, no less.
You done woke me up out of my damn sleep with this bullshit you playing.
Miss Francis, what state? Where are you calling me from?
Mississippi.
I'm in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Huh?
Ocean Springs, Mississippi.
Mississippi, huh? What are you doing sleeping this time of day anyway?
Huh?
It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. What are you doing sleeping this time of day anyway? You should be out in your garden or something, planting some roses. What are you doing sleeping this time of day? It's 3 o'clock.
Really?
Huh?
Don't start that bullshit.
Come on with that cussing, Miss Francis. You trying to play like you tough. You ain't tough. Come on with that, Miss Francis. You're not even tough. Come on with that. Ain't no need to act tough with me. We here to get along. Answer my question. What are you doing sleeping at 3:30 in the afternoon? You supposed to be out and about in your garden planting some cabbages, some cucumbers. You know what I mean? You're supposed to be sleeping at 3:30 in the afternoon.
Well, I don't know. All right then.
You said, all right then. All right. You funny. You funny. I knew you funny. You funny. Hey, look. Get one of these medical alert buttons, Miss Francis, and stop playing around now.
Well, I'm being honest with you.
I'm being honest with you. I ain't been nothing but honest with you. Get one of these medical alert buttons. You know what they are, right? If you have anything happen to you, Miss Francis, all you got to do is press this button.
I'm not trying to be smart. I'm just trying to get an understanding here.
I'm trying to give you the understanding. This is a medical alert button. Or if anything were to happen to you whatsoever, you feel nervous to... Listen to me. Listen to me. Anything whatsoever, you feel nervous, threatened, or unsafe in any predicament, you would give this button a push. And once you give that button a push, you're going to hear a voice that says, Miss Francis, are you okay? Do you need any help? And then you would tell them exactly why did you press this button. Okay?
I don't know who
you would tell
are.
them exactly why did. Huh?
I understand.
And then they will get you. And then they will get you the help you need immediately, whether it be the police, the ambulance, the fire department, or the rescue team. Immediately. Or they can call one of your friends, family members, or your next door neighbor instead to let them know what's going on with you and why did you press this button. Okay? Now you can press this button any time of the day, any time of the night, holidays as well.
Okay.
All right? And we're going to pay for all this equipment for you today.
Okay, baby.
There you go, Miss Francis. I know it. And we're going to pay for all this equipment for you down there in Mississippi. What part of Mississippi you live in? Clarksdale?
I have a call coming in.
Okay, I'll hold on. Go ahead and answer it. Come back to me. Go answer it. Come back to me.
Okay, baby.
All right. Go ahead.
Hello?
Hey, Miss Francis, I'm still here.
Who are you?
Miss Francis, do you have schizophrenia or something, Miss Francis? You keep switching up on me. You call me baby 1 minute, now you're switching up on me. You all right?
Who do you think you're calling?
Is this Miss Francis?
Am I going to show you? You know, I don't want to get upset. I have high blood pressure. I don't know. I think you have a wrong number.
I said, is this Miss Francis? I didn't say I'm going to show you anything. I said, is this Miss Francis? I was talking to a young lady by the name of Miss Francis.
Who are you talking to?
What's your name? My name is Dwayne. I've been talking to Miss Francis for about 15 minutes now. Is Miss Francis there with you?
I'm on my computer. I'm looking at TV. My husband is in the living room looking at whatever he's looking at.
Are you Mrs. Francis?
Wait. Hold it. Who do you think you're calling?
Are you serious right now?
I don't have nothing else to say to you. You need to lose this number.
I've been talking to Mrs. Francis on the same line for 15 minutes. Is your name Miss Francis?
Hello?
Okay. Well, yes, how are you today?
My name is Dwayne.
My name is Dwayne. I'm with Light Protect 24/7 Medical Alert Systems. And I've been carrying on a conversation for the past 15 minutes with a lady named Miss Francis about a medical alert button. Are you familiar with medical alert systems and how they operate?
Francis, I'm going to call you. Let me call your number back and see what happened, okay?
Okay.
Bye.